We should find the solution to this system of equation. So we are going to do it in two ways. In case if you are doing your SAT, we are going to do it algebraically, and we are also going to use graph. So if you want to do it algebraically, you can take equation. This is equation 1 and equation 2. So you can use substitution, elimination, whichever method you want. However, let's do substitution. So we take equation 2, which is 2y minus x equals negative 19, right? So I can easily say that x equals negative 19 minus 2y. Remember, we have negative here, so we can now remove this negative. This will now be s equals to 19 plus 2y, right? So we can now substitute this into our first equation, which is x multiplied by 3 multiplied by x. X is, remember, is 19 plus 2y plus 4y equals negative 23. So 3 multiplied by 19, 3 multiplied by 19 is going to give us 57, plus 3 multiplied by 2y is going to give you 6y, plus 4y, then minus negative 23. 6y plus 4y is going to give you 10y equals negative 23 minus 57, right? So 10y will now give us negative 80. So divide by 10, divide by 10. So y is going to give you negative 8, okay? So y is negative 8. And when you look at the option, you can see it's only option B that has negative 8. And that's how you solve it. However, you can see test to check if you are correct. So let me shift this. So let me test for x. I will substitute. Since my x, I will use this my third equation to find x. I will say x equals 19 plus 2 multiplied by negative 8, which is our y. So s is going to be 19 minus 16. So x is going to be 3. You can see it. Option B is correct. However, we can still use our Desmos to find it, okay, in case if you are writing the exams now. So we can still use our Desmos to find it. So we have 3x plus 4y equals negative 23. Then we go to the second question, which is 2y minus x equals negative 19. And you can see the value here is 3 negative 8, and that validates our answer here, which is 3 negative 8. So you can do it in either way you want it.